so Mark has finally finished sanding and putting filler and sanding and trying to get this wall smooth. Apparently it's not a good idea to gouge the wall because it's just a nightmare to try and fix all the gouges. So finally he is starting to put the base paint. What's it called, Mark?
Base coat. It's a primer sealer.
It's a primer sealer, and look at that ceiling, how filthy. It has probably never been painted since the house was built.
I can't tell if it's brown paint or nicotine, to be honest, but I don't know.
Yeah.
We're covering it up anyways.
It could be. I know, I think that the shower was pretty much a job for me to clean as well. So this should be really bright by the time you're finished. So he's just edging right now.
Yep, edging. Tomorrow I'll get the roller out and get a coat on here, and then we'll see how it looks from there.
Yeah.
Might need 2 coats.
Well, might need 2 coats of the regular paint that we're going to put on top of it. And it won't be as white as this, but it'll be a light, very light color as well. So, yes. And of course the floor will need to be done, and of course the, what do you call that, the trap for the toilet?
The flange.
The flange needs to be repaired, and concrete needs to be repaired there where he had to break it up.
Yeah, we have to, there's a flange repair we're going to apply, and then we'll be filling the concrete that we had to chip out to get at that one.
And then after that, we've got some lovely porcelain tiles to put down here. So yeah, this is going to be a slow process to get this job done, but it'll be the one room that will be actually done, and then we will focus on other things again. But before we can do that, this room does need to be, we do have to have a working toilet here because he's got to pull the other toilet out of the other washroom. So, and that's the working toilet currently. So that's it for now. So yeah, it's been quite the job. I mean, I certainly gouged the walls pretty darn good when I was trying to take that horrible paper off. So, yeah.
And then having to use a sander to remove the balance of the paper didn't help the condition of the walls very much.
No.
It was pretty brutal.
Yeah. And when you don't do this on a daily basis, I'm sure some people wouldn't be as particular as Mark is. He's very particular about everything. Which can be good, or it can be really frustrating for him. So, yeah. All right, that's it for now. Okay, well, we're almost through with the first coat. And wow, does that ceiling ever look different? That is the worst of the room. But, I mean, it was all bad actually, but what a difference a coat of paint makes. And there'll be a few more coats of paint before we're done. But yes, I just wanted to catch a before and after type deal. So, okay. As soon as Mark's finished this ceiling, I think that's it for the day.
I know that's it for the day.
And then I'll make him some dinner. So. Okay, looking awesome. Might have a new old house by the time we're done.